Good morning class 5 students. I hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous class, that was Zoom class, one student has asked me a word problem question. So I wish to begin the class with that question only. The student has asked me from page number 46 this question, B part. A school needs to purchase 945 drawing files for the school students. If the drawing files come in bundles of 14, estimate the number of bundles the school needs to purchase. Now, the shopkeeper is not giving the drawing files loose. Rather, he is giving in a bundle of 14. Every drawing files comes in a bundle of 14. And the school needs 945 drawing files. So here the school has to find out how many bundles they need. And moreover, this question is asking to estimate the number of bundles. So here the estimation will be done to nearest 10 of 945 as well as 14. Let's have a look at your copy. This is what I have taught you. Number of drawing files needed, how many? 945. Number of files in a bundle, 14 files in a bundle. Number of bundle needed, we have to divide these two numbers for that. Okay, because we have to group 14 का हमें ऐसे ग्रुप बना के देखना पड़ेगा टोटल कितने फाइल्स हो रही हैं. In that case, we divide the number. Moreover, the question is asking us to estimate to round off nearest 10. 945 nearest 10 will be 950. How? Look at this tens. 45 जो tens है हमारा, it lies between 40 and 50, right? But 45 is in the middle of 40 and 50. It will go to the next tens. तो 40 ना होके वो 50 हो जाएगा. This is how we round off. Next, if we look at 14 number lies between which two tens? कौन से दो tens में? 10 and 20 के बीच में लाई करता है 14. And 10 and 20 का जो मिड पॉइंट है that is 15. 14 is less than 15. So it will go to the previous tens, that is 10. 950 divided by 10 करोगे अगर, so it will become 95. It will give us 95. How? Because when we divide any number by 10, 100,000, that many zeros cancelled. We have used cancellation. So 1 0 cancelled. Also 1 0 from 950. What is left? 95 and 1. In the table of 1, 95 comes 95 times. So conclusion is the school needs to purchase approx 95 bundles of drawing files. It's time to move on to our next topic. That is the last topic of this chapter, chapter 4, which is Bodmer's rule. Bodmer's rule, the full form of Bodmer's is B for brackets. You have seen brackets, right? O for of, 2 of, 12, like this. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. There is a series. This Bodmer's rule is applied when in a question we have more than one operation. Till now we have done multiplication, only 2 numbers are given for multiplication, 2 numbers are given for division. But here what are we given? We are asked in a single question to multiply, to add, to subtract, or here to divide, to add, to multiply, to subtract. So for getting same number every time, same answer every time, we have to follow a rule. In class 5 you are going to apply DMAS. First, check whether division is there. For example, in this question division is there, so it is our role to do division first. Then we have to check multiplication. We will go for multiplication. Then if any division, if any addition, go for addition, and at the end go for subtraction. This is how we will move step by step. So let us take one example. This is example 6 into 4 plus 2 minus 8. Look at division. D is division. Do we have? No. Move to multiplication. Do we have? Yes. What two numbers are multiplying? 6 into 4. So 6 4s are is 24. Rest of the numbers will be written as it is. In step number 1 we will do first operation, that is multiplication, because we didn't have the division. After multiplication comes addition. Do we have addition in this step? Yes. Which two number are adding? 24 and 2. Just find out what is 24 plus 2. Yes, it is 26. and what needs to be written as same? -8, because हमने उसको कुछ किया ही नहीं. At last we will subtract 26 minus 8. You can do in the rough column 26 minus 8. 6 cannot subtract 8, so 6 will borrow, 2 will become 1, 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8 and 1 will carry it down. So the difference is 18 and that is your answer. Let us have another question where we have division also. We will follow DMAS, where we will do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. How? Let us check. First divide 164 and 4. 4 outside, 164 inside. In the table of 4, 1 comes? No, it is very small. So take 2-digit number 16. As you know, 4 4s are 16. Subtract, you will get 0 because 16 minus 16 is 0. Carry down next digit, that is 4. In the table of 4, 4 comes how many times? 1 times. 4 1s are 4. Again subtract, your answer is 41. That is the quotient. So we will write in this place 164 divided by 4 place, we will write the quotient, that is 41. Rest of the things will be written same as it is. Okay, now after division comes multiplication. Which two numbers are multiplying? These two? No, these two numbers are multiplying. No need to underline in your fair notebook. Okay, I just want to show you which two numbers are multiplying. So multiply. What has to be multiplied? 8 into 16. If you know the table of 16, 16 8s are is 104. 144 minus 6. Okay, now comes addition. After multiplication, you see addition. Which two numbers are adding? These two numbers. So add ones with ones place. If you wish, you can use your rough and side column, no problem, but I wish to do it directly. Look at the 1 ones, 4 ones becomes 5, 4 tens, 4 tens becomes 8, and remainder is 100. 185 is the sum. What is remain? 185 minus 6. What it is? You can do it in the rough and side column. I can extend it here. 185 minus 6. As you know, 5 is smaller than 6. 5 will go and ask for carry. That means borrowing. 8 will become 7. 5 will become 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Here comes 7 and 1 because nothing is there for subtraction. So 179 is the answer. This is how you will do. I will just show you in the copy. If you look at page number 48, exercise 4.5, I am doing E and F part as classwork. A, B, C, D is your homework. Let's see. I begin with writing the full form of BODMAS. You can, if all of them full form will not come together, you can write like this. B brackets O, write down. Mention O here only, write the full form down. D up, M down, full form. A addition down. S ऊपर नीचे करके आप लिख सकते हो BODMAS का full form. Question is solve the following. Right hand side column is maintained. E part 75 divided by 5 plus 108 into 2. Start with division, then multiplication, then addition, right? So I have written the question. Begin with the question. फेयर कॉपी में आपको पहले क्वेश्चन लिखना है एग्जाम में भी. नाउ डिवाइड 75 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 गिव्स यू 15. सो इन दिस प्लेस आई हैव रिटन 15. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स रिटन सेम प्लस 108 इंटू 2 ऊपर से कॉपी डाउन करा. नाउ नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशन एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो 102 इंटू 2 you can do directly. 2 8s are 16, 6 carry 1, 2 0s are 0, 0 plus 1 carry 1, 2 1s are 2. 216 is the product of these two numbers. Now finally we will add 231 is our answer. F part is where we have subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will go with division. First write the question as it is. Start division. What do I do? When we have 0, that is our advantage. Remove 0. Remove 0. What is left? 35 and 5, right? In the table of 5, 35 comes 7 times. 5 7s are 35. 7 times. So what do we have left with? ये same हुआ 350 डिवाइडेड बाय 50 की जगह हमने 7 लिखा क्योंकि हमने इसको सॉल्व करा. Now in the next step we will do multiplication, multiplying these two numbers. Again we have zeros, another advantage. 0 को अभी छुपा के रखो, rest of the digit multiply 7 and 4. 7 4s are 28 and these zeros will come at the end. So 2800 is the product. After that 2800 minus 2800 is 0. This is how you will get the answer. As I have just told you from page number 48, exercise 4.5, A, B, C, D part is your homework and E and F I have shown you how to do in the classwork. Along with this, since you don't have class tomorrow of maths, so you will do review exercise. Okay, revision karoge aap question number 2, 3, 4, 7 and 10th question on the next page. What are the parts? Question number 2, A and B part only. No need to do whole the parts in the copy. Sirf A and B part I am asking you to do. Question number 3, A and B again. Question number 4, A and D. Question number 7, A and D. Whichever numbers are circled, whichever question number are circled, then that only has to be done. On the right hand side page, I have given only 10th question, that is based on our today's learning. Okay, Bodmer's rule. So 10th question only B and D you will do. Okay, A and C we have done in the whiteboard. So this much is your homework. Have a look at your homework. Exercise 4.5, A to D. Review exercise page number 48. Question number 2, 3, 4, 7 and 10. These many parts. Okay students, have a nice day. God bless you students.